Hello traders, welcome back to Strategy FX channel. On this channel it's about binary and forex, so make sure you like, subscribe to this channel to know about binary strategies and also forex. If you don't have an account on binary, and for that I mean Deriv, make sure you register using the link in my pinned comment or in my description. So guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how you can load your bot on your account. So make sure you watch until the end and also you follow all the instruction. So let's head into it. So the first thing that you need to do here, you just need to create an account on Deriv. For this one I'm using my demo account. As you can see, as I always tell you, make sure you blow account up to $10. Maybe you have a capital of $10. Try your strategy at least 100 times before you go to your real account. So for today's, let's go to Trade Hub. So after you have logged in, you just need to make sure you come here to Traders Hub. Then come here to the Deriv bot. As you all know, the binary bot it's almost out of service and they are coming back to the Deriv bot. All you just need to do here, you need to click here on open. Also, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own a simple strategy if you don't want to trade manually and you have an entry point. Just a simple without maybe adding more details to it. But if you want maybe to create your own bot, that's another tutorial and that's another video that maybe I'll create in future. But for my next video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can create just a simple strategy that is on your mind, and maybe that's the one that maybe you want to do. So after it has opened the Deriv bot here, all you need to do here, you just need to click here on my computer. Click here on, sorry, let me go to local and then click here, select XML file from your device. So go to where you downloaded your bot. As you can see here, I have 3 bots that I had downloaded online, but I have my own. So let's try this one, $printer bot 11. All you just need to do here, you need to click $printer, then click on open. So as you can see here, it has loaded. After that, you just need to click here on open. So as you can see here, it is. So let's say you are maybe interested in trading digit over and under. So here it's usually comes as this. If you want to just change your synthetics, you need to come here. Let's say you go to 100S. We want to trade over. Let's say we want to trade over to, to so after that, as you can see here, take your take profit. Let's say your stake, you need to edit here. Let's just leave it at 2 because our demo is at 16. So after that, let's say you have identified your entry point. All you just need to do here is click run. As you can see here, about to print dollars, all the best. So as you can see here, it's showing all the profit. So this one I have just entered blindly. I don't have any entry point. We have gone a loss. As you can see here, it has a martingale of 2. It has gone 4 to 8. Also lost that one. Yeah, as you can see, our balance is below that because it's a demo, but we can reset it to back to 10,000. Also, another thing that I have realized, this bot that you are being given for free, they usually blow an account very easily. So if you want maybe to create your account without any martingale or anything like that, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own, or maybe according to what you see on the charts. So guys, that's it for today. Let me stop this. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you watch my next video because I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own simple strategy. See you guys in my next video. Bye.